Hey everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and I forgot the other day to film the whole process of some rugs that we clean, and I just remembered that I wanted to upload and share with you guys how the process went. On this video, you will see how much soil we got out of this rugs, and that's what I want to show you. Someone asked me how much water do we use when we're cleaning rugs, and I want to show you this big tank that we have here. That's what we've been using to wash those rugs. As you probably saw in the video, we scrubbed those rugs, and then we use a lot of water. Many times we have to go through them a lot of times to get a lot of that soil out after we dust them off. And today we got a little more rug cleaning, and hopefully I can film a video. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.